Hey everyone, welcome back to Controlling Nibbling. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a great cereal maker course in just 5 easy steps. Step 1 is to come out with your theme you're gonna do, like a speed run, a puzzle theme, or even a parkour theme. Or you could even do a normal platforming theme. Personally, those are my favorite. Step 2. When you have already come out with your theme, write down your ideas on paper or even sketch out your ideas. It's good to have a visual. The third step is, after you got your track down and made, give your controller to a friend or a family member to see what they think about it. It's always good to have a second opinion because they may spot things that you didn't see or you can touch up on. When you got your track made and you think it's done, I would suggest adding some little things that would make your track a lot better. First thing is, add some coins for decoration or add some coins to indicate some secret blocks. When you're finally done with your track and you're about to post it, make sure you capitalize the first letters of the name of your course. It will look a lot nicer and it will stand out.